Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another video. It's another trading day, beginning of the week, and today's date is October the 4th, and on this day I took 6 trades here. Great way to start out the week. I'm using my new Super Trader system, and I took all the trades around 6:30, closed them out approximately 9 a.m. So for about 2.5 hours, and exactly the way I like to trade. I like to be done everything between 9 and 10 in the morning. And looks like I'm right on track again today. And my daily quota is 100 or more pips. And just taking a quick look here, I'm not too sure. I haven't done the math yet. But my best guess is around 200 pips. Now before I get into these trades, I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time, and that includes all my trigger systems. It took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you will have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy the education, and then you must do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than one trade at a time, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So please keep that in mind as we're moving forward. Okay, the first trade I did here, and keep in mind before I trade anything, I drill down the lights. Now I come to the computer around 6 in the morning. I'm sleeping here, but look at this nice huge move, almost 100 pips. And of course, this is Asian, London, a portion of London, because London will go way over here. That's the London close right here. I just didn't want the 2 boxes overlapping. And by the way, no matter where you live in the world, you can change these boxes more to the left, more to the right, any colors you want. You can have them overlapping. There is a video in great detail on how to do exactly that. Watch the video if you have this system, and you can make adjustments. Now after I drilled down the lights, I realized that the trend was up. System was saying to buy. This did qualify for a great way to trade. It did do this move. If I would have exercised more patience, just to let you know, I would have made another 30 pips. But anyhow, you know, I don't know about you, but once, 200 pips, I'm very happy with that. So anyhow, I took the trade here. It did go against me about 18 or 19 pips. And I ended up with 7 pips, and 7 pips on the pound yen paid $630. Okay, moving on to next trade, pound Swiss. I sold it. There's the line, there's the arrow. This is exactly where I got in at. Took the trade at this cursor here, locking in. Let's see what it went against me, about 11 pips. Locking in about 15 pips, and those 15 pips on pound Swiss paid $1,621. Now looking at this, it does look a little bit messy, but definitely after I drilled down the lights, I knew it was going to go down. I don't know how many pips. Could be 10, could be 100. Who knows? All I know is that I'm going to get some pips. That's why you have to have trade management and money management you got to master that. Okay, moving right along. Next trade, dollar CAD. I sold it. There's the arrow. System, red boxes, and it did qualify for a great way to trade. So this is where I took the trade, going against me 6 or 7 pips, and it looks like it's still going down according to the higher time frames. But again, I was happy with about 24 pips, and those 24 pips paid $1,905. Okay, let's check out the next trade. Pound dollar, this one I bought. System, the blue boxes, higher time frames. There's the arrow. Everything is looking good for buying, so that's exactly what I did. Bought at this cursor, closed it out. Looks like with 27 pips. Could have made more, but I was happy with the 27 pips. And those 27 pips paid $2,700. Moving right along. The last two are futures. The Russell. Keep in mind that if you freak out doing the pound pairs, these futures move more, pay out more, or vice versa, will take a lot more money out of your account. Keep that in mind. The Russell. Okay, higher time frames was saying to buy. So that's exactly what I did do. Bought it, went against me a bit. Well, for some traders, they would freak out with 60 pips. Didn't bother me. I knew I was going to be making some pips. No guarantee how many, but it looks like 37 pips. And 37 pips on the Russell paid $3,400. Okay, the last trade, crude oil. Another one looking good, did qualify for a great way to trade. The system, blue boxes. Imagine if I stayed in the trade, I would have done much, much better than 10,000. But anyhow, as I said, close out the trades when I'm happy. Did go against me 20 pips. Could have made 238 pips, but I was happy with around 102 pips, thereabouts. Whoops. Around 102, approximately. 100 for sure. And those 100 pips paid $10,100. So another great day of trading, a great way to start out the week. Anytime I can get over 100 pips. I used to say 100 pips was a great day. But, you know, once you figure you can, you know, make 50 pips, well, every trader will wish and dream that they can double that. So it's quite simple. Just put in more trades. It's not that difficult. So on this day, I ended up producing or receiving 209 pips, and those 209 pips paid out $20,356. As I said, another great day of trading. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my Super Trader system, I suggest you get your hands on it, and to do so, all you have to do is look right below the video and you'll see this write-up. My Super Trader system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. If you don't learn this, you'll never succeed at trading. My system has well over 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. It includes 5 MT4 templates, 12 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Keep in mind that not all meters are equal. I went through about 12 meters before I found a good one. And if you are losing money trading the markets, well, if you're not using a meter, that is one tool that you should have in your toolbox. So keep that in mind. Now, I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is lots of education to help you succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 45 training videos. Now my number one way of trading is great way to trade. You're looking at a good example right here on the right hand side. Now another video I did which really should help you a lot is called How to Backtest Using the Trading Simulator. And it's about 50 minutes long, packed with a lot of tips and tricks. I'm really sure it really should help your trading, as it helped me a lot. I can do on the weekend the equivalent of 1 year's worth of trading. And so should you be able to do that. Now, I'm not going to go through everything here. All you got to do is put the video on pause. And if you have any questions at all, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And of course, if you live too far, just send me an email. Don't forget the underscore. Now, I really do prefer Skype. If you click on this link, we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and answer your questions, along with giving you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, there's no obligation to you. So that just about wraps up this video, and I'll repeat it one more time again. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.